Let's solve this question. The question says the bearing of point B from A is 70 degrees. Find the bearing of A from B. This question is bearing. For us to solve bearing question, we need 4 cardinal points. Up here is north. To the right, we have east. To the left, we have west. Down, we have south. What is bearing? Bearing is a direction measured clockwise from north. For us to measure this 70 degrees, we have to start from north. Before that, let me quickly show you this. From this point to this point is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So, bearing is measured between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Now let's get down to the question. For us to measure 70 degrees, let's say from this point, since we are from this point to this point, 90 degrees, let's say from here to this point, we'll be having 70 degrees. We'll draw a line from this point to this point, 70 degrees. This point will be point B, according to the question. Now, we are asked to find the bearing of point A from B, just like opposite direction. We are going to be finding the bearing of this point, which is A, from B now, according to the question. Before we do that, we need our 4 cardinal points, north, east, west, south. These are point B. For us to measure, we start from north. From this point to this point, we have 90 degrees. From this point to this point, we have another 90 degrees. Now we are having 180 degrees from this point to this point. Now from this point to this line, this is where we are going to stop. We'll be having 70 degrees. Why? This angle is 70 degrees. Let's come here. This angle is 70 degrees, and this angle are alternate angles. That is why we have this angle being 70 degrees. Now we can say 180 degrees plus 70 degrees. It will give us 250 degrees. We have found the bearing of A from B. What we have is 250 degrees. The bearing of A from B is from this point down to this line. And when we sum the angles, what we have is 250 degrees. That is it.